Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Well, take only what resonates kasi hindi naman ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi ito personal reading. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jane Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? And yeah, this is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. General love reading. By the way, I can see a child. I don't know, maybe while you are watching, may kasama kang bata. Four of Pentacles is here. The Lovers. This is your main energy. The Star, Four of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Cups and the Seven of Swords. I'm feeling like there's someone in your mind right now. Meron kang taong iniisip. And itong person na ito, I don't know if there's an offer mula dito sa taong to. Yung iba may ganun. May offer mula dito sa taong to. And gustong-gusto mong i-take yung offer. Pero parang hindi ka sure kung dapat mo bang i-take ito. And some of you, this is coming from a friend. So, parang hindi mo ma-take yung offer mula dito sa friend or vice versa. This could be an offer na ikaw ang nagbibigay dito sa friend na ito. Take only what resonates. But anyway, kasi parang may kailangan kang pag-focusan. And might be ito yung mga bagay na nasa harapan mo ngayon. Okay? But, in your mind, ito talaga yung gusto mo eh. Okay? But, with the Four of Pentacles, some of you, hinahide mo lang or tinatago mo yung pagkagusto mong tanggapin itong bagay na ito. Maybe it has something to do with partnership, with the Lovers. But with the Star, nakikita natin na gustong-gusto mong tanggapin ito or gustong-gusto mo talaga ito because this is your wish fulfillment. This is what you want. Five of Cups, nakikita natin yung kalungkutan mo dito sa bagay na ito dahil nga maaaring dahil hindi mo siya matanggap or napipilitan kang hindi siya tanggapin. With the Seven of Swords, pwedeng umiiwas ka na lang or lumalayo ka na lang regarding dito sa iyong past na ito. With the Six of Cups, maybe tinatry mo siyang i-cut off or tinatry mo or hinahayaan mo na lang mag-end or tinatry mo na lang mag-i-end kung ano man yung meron sa inyo ng person na ito. So, this is your energy and kunin naman natin yung person mo. You do over the Ace of Cups. Yan. This person really do loves you. And the way I say this, siya nga yung pwedeng nagbibigay ng offer sa'yo. With the Ace of Cups. Can you see the cups here? Look at the clouds and then my hand. And there's the cup sa side mo. And then, dito there's a cup and there's a hand, there's the cloud. So, this could be the person na gustong magbigay ng or mag-offer or there's an offer coming from this person. Pero, with the Five of Wands, I feel like may problem or may challenge sa connection na ito na pwedeng alam din ito ng person mo. Maybe it has something to do with the problem with the Nine of Swords and with the Hierophant na talagang nagtuturo ng malaking lesson para sa kanya ngayon. And I feel like, I don't know if it has something to do with career, the King of Pentacles, or money with the Ten of Pentacles. Pero, the way I see this, medyo nahihirapan yung person mo harapin itong pangyayaring ito sa kanya or itong sitwasyon niya. Nahihirapan siyang harapin. I'm seeing this as a karma. Pero sabi ko nga, with the Four of Cups, this is you. I feel like you are focusing sa ibang bagay ngayon. Ano ba ang emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Ng person na ito. You do have here the High Priestess and Six of Swords. One more card para sa side mo. Okay. Nahulog guys. Nahulog yung mga cards sa kamay ko. I don't know why. I just saw the sign of Virgo with the Hermit. Could be dealing with the Virgo. What's with the High Priestess and the Six of Swords? Ayan, Three of Swords. Okay. Ano namang emotion ng person mo para sa'yo? Eight of Swords, Page of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. I feel like naging open naman itong person na ito regarding sa emotions niya for you with the Page of Wands. Kasi this is communication or message or text or chat or pwedeng sa pagkikita ninyo there's this pag-uusap na pwedeng naging open ang person mo. Alin man doon ha, any kind of communication, pakikipag-usap sa taong to na naging open siya sa emotion niya para sa'yo. And I feel like hindi lang sa emotion niya, but rather sa mga nararamdaman niya or mga pinagdadaanan niya, pwedeng naging open siya doon. The Eight of Swords, sa ngayon itong person na ito is, I feel like hindi na siya naghihintay. Kung ano man yung problem niya ngayon, maybe in the past feeling niya, you can help him or her, pwede mo siyang matulungan or what, or maybe yung connection ninyo is intense that, sabi ko nga, pwedeng may spiritual talaga, lalo na with the High Priestess here. Pwedeng may spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. But, itong person na ito, no longer waiting, parang hinahayaan niya na lang. And kung nasa man yung sitwasyon niya or ano man yung sitwasyon niya ngayon, hinahayaan niya na lang din. And, yun yung emotion niya sa'yo. Kung ano yung mga sinabi niya in the past regarding sa emotion niya, yun talagang emotion niya sa'yo. Ngayon, the way I see this, with the High Priestess, emotion mo, you are spiritually connected dito sa tao. Nararamdaman mo yung connection mo sa kanya. Lalo na the more na lumalayo ka, the more na nagmo-move on ka, the more na umiiwas ka, the more na lalo ka nasasaktan. Kasi bakit? Spiritually connected ka sa kanya eh. May parang invisible string sa inyo na nagko-connecta. And maybe hindi mo rin ma-explain yon, but some of you, there are times na napapanaginipan mo tong taong to. There are times na nasasaktan ka na lang, naaalala mo siya. You know what I mean? But, dahil dito sa separation na nangyayari sa inyo, mas pinipili mo na lang mo ng umiwas, lumayo, or mag-move on ngayon. Okay? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Judgment is here. Four of Swords. Okay. Three of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles, Five of Swords, the Moon, the Wheel of Fortune, the Page of Swords, and the Two of Swords. This is some sort of awakening in the near future para sa'yo. Okay? I feel like I can see Libra energy. Okay. And awakening in a way na may kinalaman dito sa person to or sa spirituality ninyo. Dalawa. Okay? With the Three of Wands, I can still see you missing this person. Hindi, kumbaga, pwedeng may separation pa rin nagaganap. Pero, I feel like there's an action coming from you. And gusto ko i-clarify to what's with the Six of Pentacles and the Three of Wands. Yeah, the Chariot is here. And the Seven of Wands. These are action cards na pwedeng maybe may kinalaman sa pagta-travel or maybe pagde-develop sa sarili mo. I feel like you will try to fix something in your life. Or you will learn something in your life. May mga i-improve ka sa sarili mo, skills, knowledge, habang may separation sa inyo ng person na ito. And sa person naman, especially the Sun is here, followed by the Ten of Swords, Page of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. Okay. I feel like in the near future, itong person na ito, makakaalis siya sa situation na sinabi ko nga pwede nagpapahirap sa kanya. With the Moon, nandun pa rin yung soulmate connection sa inyo, and there's a yin and yang energy with the Moon and the Sun. Could be dealing with a soulmate or twin flame. Five of Swords. Gusto ko i-clarify itong Five of Swords. What's with the Five of Swords? Five of Swords is clarified by the Six of Wands. Ayan. So, parang ang energy nito is yung person mo lagi lang siya nandyan. No? Hindi ko nakikita nawawala siya or umaalis siya or what. Basta, kung may separation man sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw focus ka sa sarili mo, focus ka sa makakapagpa-improve pa sa'yo, and the person na ito is always there for you. Okay? But not in a way na pwedeng mako-continue yung communication or what. Pero, I mean, hayaan mo lang kasi it's like the divine timing is going to happen. Hindi nga lang pa sa ngayon. Pero kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo, huwag ka maghintay. Hayaan mo lang yung divine timing. Kung para siya sa'yo, huwag mo siyang hintayin. And then, this person, lagi lang siya nandyan, pero may mga kailangan pa siyang pagdaanan. Tell me about this. Yeah, the Fool. There's the Tower moment. So, may mga kailangan pa siyang endings na dapat gawain. And I feel like ito person na ito, kailangan niya matutunan kung paano mag-take ng risk, kung paano tumalon, kung paano umalis sa sitwasyon na nagpapahirap sa kanya. But I told you, pwede makaalis siya sa sitwasyon na nagpapahirap sa kanya. Pero this is a different story. I feel like maybe yung isang sitwasyon na yun na aalisan has something to do with money or sa mga problema niya, nagpapa-stress sa kanya. Pero may isa pa siyang dapat alisan dito, which is a situation na talaga nagpapahirap sa buhay niya. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.